Hello friends, welcome back. Today I am going to review a bike called Wendling and Falcon. I had a chance to go through this bike and I test drove it yesterday and it was really nice. The features were really amazing, and for this cost an e-bike in the Indian market is something really amazing, and the features are really cool, and I'm going to explain all those to you right now. I test drove it and I tell you this is one of the best I have tried in the e-bike sector in the recent past. It has an amazing look, it is really cool, and it is solid. The suspensions are good, the drive feel is good, the weight is not so heavy. First, if you see the LED lamps, it's very attractive and it is not focusing onto the face of the person who is coming in the opposite direction. Instead, it focuses on the road. That's the best feature, because we always see that the vehicles that are coming in the opposite direction are all annoying. And the side indicators, the indicators are all really good and they are very bright and they are LED. And the controls are really good and it's very easy for somebody to go ahead and use it. The display is nice. It displays the battery level as well as the speed and the number of kilometers you drove. The up down, I mean the brightness adjustment is also there. It is like another bike, but it was all very easy to handle, and that is one feature that I wanted to tell you. And if you see, during the night time, the identification of the keyhole is a problem in most of the bikes, but here there is an LED indicator available over there which makes sure that you can insert the key properly. You've got mobile charging unit available there, and you've got a space for inserting cloths or something which is a waste cloth which you can use to clean the vehicle. All those things can be inserted here, and that's very nicely made. And if you see the dicky space, this is pretty big. There's a large space available here. You can keep around 2.5 kgs of content over there, or a half-sized helmet can be kept over there without any trouble. And the best thing is they have got a light over there. You can press the light and you can use this in the night time, and I have disabled it. There is a tripper switch available there which will be very useful for you, and please make sure that you have this noticed properly when you are trying this bike or when you are buying this bike. Tripper has got a great review. Now if you see, the remote is amazing. This bike has come out with a remote and it looks almost like a car's remote. You can unlock, lock, and the most important thing that you have is there is an option called straight open. You need not insert the key, press this button, the vehicle is ready for starting right now. Now you can just start the vehicle and go on. The vehicle is all ready to be started. This is called straight open mode and you need not insert the key. And once you want to disable the straight open mode, press this button once and that's all. It is all disabled. You can press this and the straight open mode is disabled. That's all. It's disabled and you could see the details over there. So this is all very nice features for an e-bike. I think this is very nice. And when you come with suspensions, or let's go to the backlight indicators first. It's looking very nice and it's very attractive. It's very bright also in the night. I drove it and the suspension is really cool. The telescopic suspension is available in the front, and the rear one is the coil suspension, and the entire bike has got fantastic suspension available there. And when you come to the braking, it has got the disc brake in the front, and there is the disc brake and the combination of there is a combination of the disc and the drum brake in this vehicle, and the front is having the disc brake and the back is with the drum brake. So it's all very nice, and that's a good combo. Technically people speak when they talk about the automobiles, it's a very good combo. Now when you come about the next very important feature that I like is there is a tool for self-diagnostic. You have got also the modes available. Now I'm incrementing the mode. More the mode, more the number. If it is 4, it can go in the highest power, and that's all done through a single click out there. You can see that the mode is being incremented and decremented, and that's with a single click. You got a button out in the front, and I like to just adjust that, and that's all. It increases the mode, so you can drive with ease, and the speed can be selected out in second. There is a reverse option available. You can enable the reverse option. The bike goes in the back side. So there is a button for self-healing. This button is called self-healing button. So when you click that button, in case of a trouble, the vehicle automatically heals it and it can run for next 10 to 15 kilometers without any issue. So that's the best thing about it. And the most important point that I was stunned about this bike is you charge it once and it takes about 3.5 hours for the complete charge, and it can go up to 50 kilometers. So for you, for a week, what you need to spend is just 1.5 units if you are traveling 50 kilometers. And in India, 1.5 units is somewhere close to 8 rupees, and that's all. 8 rupees is what you need for 1 week. That's a cool bike. And another safety feature that I want to highlight is you have taken the key off, you have locked the bike, and if you want to move the bike, let's try moving it right now. I'm going to do that. If I move the bike when the key is locked, it alarms. It raises a very nice alarm and you cannot move the bike. The bike is also locked. I'm going to show you that right now. You remove the side stand, you move anything in the bike, you touch the bike, you disturb it, it alarms you immediately. So you can see that I'm going to move it right now, and that's all. I can't move. It's all done. I can't move, the bike is locked, and I hear an alarm also during the video edit. I remove that noise. So that's it. It's all really cool, isn't it? The cost is 70,000 rupees plus probably 72. You can get it on road. And Benling Falcon is the model. There are many other models available out there in this sector, and you can try out everything. And if you have any questions on this, you can ask me. I'll be able to answer you. I reviewed it quite extensively, and any technical questions related to this, I'll be happy to take up. Thank you very much for following my channel. If you have any questions, suggestions, please go ahead and type it in the comment section. If you like the channel, the content, please subscribe. Thank you.